All right, man, got this recipe. I want to make honey mustard back in the lab. Let's see, I got a little mayo. I got some mustard. Let's see. Ooh. All right. And let's see. Some honey. Ooh. Give this thing a whisk. Let's see what it looks. Oh, that thing looks pretty good. Let me taste it. I think just a little bit more honey. That ain't right. Let's try this again. All right, let's go. So I got a different view for you today. It's the eye in the sky that don't lie. We making them honey mustard wings. We gonna go ahead and get it started. So easy recipe, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the ingredients. Easy, we get them bad boys fried. Taste test done. Here we go. So we got a cup of flour. You got a teaspoon of pepper, teaspoon of Himalayan salt. All this, guys, going in this bowl right here for the wings. That's your dry mixture there. Can you get that in there? Whisk it up real good. And then you're gonna throw your wings in there. And then you wanna, again, get that whisk action in there. Get your wings in there. You don't want nothing too major, so just a little thin coating of flour. So we got our wings ready to go. So again, we're gonna throw these wings in here, coat these bad boys up. Again, nothing major. You don't want too much bread on it, so you can make that magic happen when it hit the fryer. So just like that. Then coat like that. Shake that boy off. Then let it rest. So the key of your wings will let it rest on the pan for about 5 to 7 minutes, so that that flour can infuse into that wing. So when you put that bad boy in the fryer, your flour doesn't go all off your wings, so you get that nice good crunch. So we're gonna again take your wings and we're gonna dump them bad boys in that flour. You can see we got those wings lined up resting. So the key of resting is when you put those bad boys on that cooling rack, you let them rest, you let that flour infuse into that chicken skin. Then you can see if you need to go back and add a little bit more flour if you like, for that crisp when it comes out of that fryer. So we got that fryer heated up to 350 degrees. You're gonna place it in the fryer for 7 to 10 minutes. But what you're really looking for is that golden brown color. That's what you're looking for. Then we're gonna stick them in the oven for additional 10 minutes at 350, and then we're gonna get that honey mustard sauce ready to go. Real simple, guys. So you got 1/4 cup of mayo. We got a 1/3 cup of Dijon mustard. And then here's the whole star of the whole dish is the honey. You got 2/3 of a cup of honey. And you want to get those bad boys mixed together. Like I said, just simple ingredients for honey mustard. Now, I like a little kick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So I want a little kick in mine. And you don't have to add cayenne pepper if you don't like, but I'm gonna do that just for mine. So throw that in there like so. I like that spicy stuff. And you can hear my oven going off in the background, getting that ready for that 350. And again, just whisking that thing up. You can see that bad boy. That nice, see that honey in the bottom of it. So you get that whisk action going, get that honey all good. Make sure you whisk it up good so you you don't have none left in that bottom. Whisk it up real good, get that good action, ready to go. Honey mustard, baby. So there you go. You got your honey mustard sauce. Now, them bad boys is ready to go in the fryer. Got my fryer heated up to 350, like I said. I'm gonna go ahead and drop that bad boy, that pan. Drop these in here a couple at a time. Let them bad boys fry. Get a couple batches going. And then we're gonna put them bad boys in the oven. And then we're gonna toss them in that sauce, get it ready to make it happen. So we'll be back after we get these bad boys cooked. And I'm gonna show you that golden brown that you're looking for. So let's go ahead and get these wings out the fryer. And again, I'm gonna take you down and let you see them bad boys come out. So here's a couple tips when you know your chicken's ready. When you have just a little bit of bubbles that's there, you know your chicken's ready. When it's golden brown, you know your chicken's ready. So take that bad boy up, and there you go, golden brown, guys. That's the color that you're looking for. Got the wings, look at them. Woo-hoo-hoo. Lovely. Lovely. So when you're about to toss them wings in that sauce, like I said, toss them in the sauce because you're the boss. Make sure you get a deep bowl like this so you can toss some bad boys in that sauce. So you get them in that sauce, and you go ahead and get them so you can toss them. It's like so you see pouring that sauce in there like that. Toss them up. Y'all see me tossing them bad boys. Get them bad boys tossed in that sauce. There you go. So you can get that action in there if you got that deep bowl. If your bowl ain't deep enough, your stuff going on the floor. So again, you got that deep action in there. Toss that sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and take one out. Let you bad boys see it. See that bad boy? Look at that. Nice dripping with that honey mustard on there. It smells good, and I guarantee it tastes as good as it smells. And I'm gonna go ahead and taste this bad boy. Let y'all see that bad boy. That thing is busting, guys. Really good. Try that recipe, guys. Let me get that napkin. Try that recipe, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Look at my other videos. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys, if you guys don't have a deep fry yet, go ahead and invest in one. Because these recipes that we're making here at Main Focus is busting, man. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later. Peace.